Welcome to Vitthal Rukmai Astrology Center. Today we are going to discuss about Abraham P. He's a male. He born in 18 November 1981, 3 a.m. morning, Calicut, Kerala. Okay, he born in Aslesha Nakshatra, Karka Rashi, Kanya Lagna. Okay, don't see the or don't read the Jataka by Lagna, by Nakshatra. You should read your chart by Lagna only. Okay, because the Kanya's biggest enemy is Chandra. So, Chandra is a Rashi. Karka is a Rashi. Karka's Swami is a Chandra. So, don't read the Jataka by Rashi. Come. See Aslesha Nakshatra. See Aslesha, see Ganda Mula Nakshatra. We call it as a Ganda Mula Nakshatra. In astrology, there are 27 Nakshatra. In 27 Nakshatra, 6 Nakshatra we called as a 6 Nakshatra we called as a Ganda Mula Nakshatra. Ganda Mula Nakshatra. I will tell you which are those. Okay, number 1, Revati. Number 1, Revati, 3/4 Pada. Number 2, Ashwini. Ashwini is 1 and 2. Okay. Number 3, Asleshas. Aslesha Nakshatra, 4 Padas. All 4 Padas are called a Gandamula Nakshatra. Like that, Maga. Also Gandamula Nakshatra. Jeshtas Nakshatra, all 4 Padas. Gandamula Nakshatra. And Mula, 4 Padas. 1 and 2 Pada. 3/4 is not a Gandamula Nakshatra. Who born in a Gandamula Nakshatra, it is one like a Shapa. Like person cannot be improved by mentally and physically and cannot reach goals within the time. It will be delayed because of the Aslesha Shapa. So please do a Aslesha Nakshatra Shanti, then you will get a speed in your life and success very much. Otherwise, no. You have to do Aslesha Nakshatra every year, once in a life, not every year. Okay. You can make a puja, perform a puja in Kukke Subramaniam by giving a Aslesha Bali in Kukke Subramaniam temple. Kukke Subramaniam temple. You can give a Aslesha Bali every year, no problem. But first you have to perform a Aslesha Nakshatra puja. See, this is you. This is your behavior and the relation between others. 3, it is a struggle. How much you struggle. 4th is a family plus mother plus property. 5th is a your intelligence, love, children. 6 struggles. 7, your wife and daily wages. 8, enemy. 9 is a bhagya, your future. 10 is your work. 11 is your sisters and brothers. Plus profit also we see from 11th house. 12th is a foreign trip, jail, hospital. Come. See, Kanya Lagnas, favorable planets. Okay. See, Buddha is a favorable to Kanya Lagna. How? Second one is a Saturn is a favorable. Venus is a favorable. Okay. Jupiter is a favorable. Sun is a Samgraha. Okay. Next. Rahu and Ketu also, they are Samgraha. Means they are if they are good in good place, definitely they will be very good. Otherwise, no. See, the main enemies are Moon and Mars. These two people are very, very enemies, very bad enemies to the Lagna. Come, any degree, see, the planet, the Graha should not be 24 to 29 degree or 0 to 6 degree. The Graha should be 6 to 24 degree. Graha means planet. This is planet. Okay. See, 1 and 5, 9 is a Trikona. 6th and 8th and 12 is a very bad places. Okay. 1 and 7, 4 and 10, Kendra, we call it a center place of the Jataka. Okay, come, we'll see what happens. See, in Lagna, ascending, Saturn is sitting with a 24 degree. Saturn means Shani. See, Shani, he is a 5th house god. 5th house god came into 1st house. So, here you will get a 1st house and 5th house both profit here. Yes, but he is very high degree, 24 into 14. So, you have to wear a 7 carat Neela. Okay. If the Saturn come and sat in the 1st house, means you are a very intellectual human being, very kind man, very intellectual. Then also you have long life. Yes, you have a long life. Not only long life, but you are intellectual and very kind human being, and very like you are a judge. Correct is correct. For everyone, you take very good decisions. That is okay. That is fine. You take a very good decision. Saturn लगन में आया तो बहुत ही अच्छा फल देगा, या बहुत ही अच्छा. किसी की कुंडली में अगर सैटर्न आके बैठा ना, समझो उसका जिंदगी हो गया. क्योंकि ये 5वीं प्लेस का 5th प्लेस का स्वामी है. सो आप 7 कैरेट नीलम पहनिए, बहुत अच्छा होगा. कम देखिए, 2nd हाउस में सी मर्क्यूरी इज ए स्वामी ऑफ 1 and 10, correct? Jupiter is a 7 and 10. 4 places plus 2nd. Total 5 places of a benefits will be getting in the place of 2nd house. In Dhanesha, we call it as a Dhanesha. So 19 and 4 degrees there. You have to wear a Pushyaraga, yellow sapphire stone. See, Mr. Abram, I don't have experience in explaining English, so I will both mix Hindi and English. Okay. इधर बुद्ध और गुरु दोनों आके बैठा ना, 1 और 10, 7 और 10, सॉरी 4 और 10. ये 4 का और 7 का स्वामी है, ये 1 का और 10 का स्वामी है. 10 प्लेस 10th हाउस का. ओके, 10th हाउस का स्वामी है, 1 हाउस का स्वामी है, ये 4 हाउस का और 7वें हाउस का. सो ये वेदर और ये 4 हाउस हुआ प्लस ये 2 सेकंड में बैठा है. सी, इट इज सैट इन 2nd हाउस बोथ. सो यू आर गेटिंग हियर 5 houses benefits. Super, it is extraordinary. Mr. Jacob, it's an extraordinary combination. Yeah. So it means this is a Prabala Kubera Yoga. This is a Prabala, the strongest Kubera Yoga. Sorry, I written in Kannada. Strongest Kubera Yoga. And Saturn in 5th house Swami sat in a 2nd house, no 1st house. This is called a Mahalakshmi Yoga. It's ultimate, sir. Extraordinary. These three people are extraordinary. Mercury, Jupiter, and Saturn. Please wear a Jupiter's Pusharaga and Saturn's Neelam 7 carat. Okay, I will send you if you want because I have very cheap and good quality one. See, Sun is 1 degree in third house. Not to worry about that because 1 degree Sun can't help you. See, come Venus is in Digbali in fourth house. Digbali, extraordinary. Digbali means extraordinary. Extraordinary. See, Venus is always give a very good result in 4th and 7th and 12th. Yes. You are a rich man, no doubt. Mostly you are born rich, I think so. Or you are earning now. Whatever it may be, till your end, you will earn money, property, good name, fame, both. Because Venus is a, see here, Venus is a second house plus ninth house Swami. Okay, plus he is in fourth house. So fourth house, second house, ninth house, all the houses benefits will be you are getting. How? चारवीं का, दूसरी का, नौवीं का, तीनों का जो बेनिफिट है चारवीं में आपको मिलेगा. हाउ एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी. आपका तो कुंडली इतनी अच्छी है जेकब साहब, बाबा बाबा बाबा, बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा. सच में बहुत ही अच्छा फ्यूचर है आपका. एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी फ्यूचर है जेकब साहब. सी, केतु इज इन 5th हाउस. शनि, सैटर्न इज first house. So Ketu gives a very good result here. Yeah, you are more intellectual. You most probably you completed degree, no doubt. Well educated. Maybe you be or something like that. I think so. Okay, Ketu gives you a lot of intellectuality, intelligence, good things. Okay. See, Moon and Rahu, yaar. Both. He is the enemy. Rahu here, it became a Prabala, the strongest Grahana dosha. Grahana dosha. It is in 11th house. Please, I request you, please perform a puja of moon, perform a Shanti puja of a moon and Rahu. Otherwise, you will get a you will be having a problem with your sisters and brothers. Otherwise, you will be having a long-term disease like a sugar or something else, thyroid, something like that. Long period disease you will be having. So, you better do a Shanti Puja of Moon and Rahu as early as possible. Otherwise, do every year. It's good. But Jacob, everything is okay. One main problem is there. What I'm telling you, you have a Kuja dosha, you have a Manglik dosha. You have Manglik dosha. This is very dangerous, man. Before your marriage, you have to marry 81, I think you married. Yes. See, Manglik dosha is always bad for a marriage life. If your partner is having the same dosha, then there is no problem. Automatically that Manglik dosha will be cancelled. That is sure. If your marriage is not, it will not be successful due to Manglik dosha. You have to perform a puja of Moon and Rahu and Kuja, Mars. Otherwise, you will be in trouble. I'm telling you, you will be in trouble of a marriage life. Marriage life. Why I am telling you? He sees your 7th house. That is the main problem. He sees, he looks your, see, he looks 4th house, 7th house and 8th house. Okay. This is 4th house, correct? Okay. This is 7th house, correct? No, this is 7th house. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See. 7. Then 8. This is your wife house. This is your Dampatya house. Marriage life house. So it will be danger. So you have to perform a puja of these three. This is a strongest Kubera Yoga Jataka it is. Yes, everything is okay. You have to wear a Neelam, you have to wear a Pushyaraga, and you should perform a Shanti of Moon, Rahu, Mars, and Aslesha Bali. These four puja you have to perform. This is only once in life, Aslesha. You have to perform per every year Moon and Rahu and Mars. Okay, we'll go to Navamasha. I told you, you are in a Manglik dosha. So, see, 7th house Mars. Okay, 5th house Sun. Where is Sun? Sun is in 4th house. Good. 7th house Swami, who? Shukra, Venus. Venus, 6th, Neecha become, see. Become Neech. See. Okay. 9th house Swami, Jupiter in 8th house. See, you have to perform a Moon, Ketu and Jupiter. Sorry, Ketu and Mars. Come, we'll see. Where is Sun, man? Sun is in 12th house. Sun is in 12th house. 4th Swami Venus is a good. 10th house Swami it is. Kuja in 8th house. So Venus is very good in your what will call in D10. So please perform a Shanti Puja of Moon and Rahu and Puja. Otherwise, you will face a lot of problems. Presently, you are in Sun. After seeing Moon. This time is very dangerous, I am telling you. This time is very dangerous, I am telling you. Very dangerous. Okay. You have to perform at least every year of the Moon and Rahu. See, this is very dangerous time. I am telling you, I am marking you. This is very dangerous. 2024, 25 to 2010 to 2006 is a very dangerous time. Very dangerous. Okay. See, this was dangerous. So, I am going to conclude. Please, Jacob, it's my second video. ये मेरा दूसरी वीडियो है. कन्नड़ा लैंग्वेज छोड़ के दूसरा कर रहा हूँ. भाई, चंद्र का, राहु का और मंगल का, तीनों का पूजा करो एवरी ईयर. और अश्लेषा नक्षत्र का पूजा करो. और पुष्यरागा और नीलम पहनो. आपका जिंदगी बहुत अच्छा है. लेकिन शादी के बारे में मुझे पता नहीं. सो प्लीज़ मुझे बता दो क्या है क्या नहीं. नहीं तो तुम्हारा वाइफ का भी मांगलिक दोष रहे तो, मंगल दोष रहे तो चलेगा, नहीं तो नहीं चलेगा. दोनों में झगड़ा हो जाएगा. सो आई एम कंक्लूजिंग. आपका जीसस आपको ब्लेस करे. थैंक यू.